Why jump rope deserves more attention. Jump rope is often overlooked as a serious fitness tool, but its benefits are far-reaching. Unlike many bulky gym machines, it's portable, inexpensive, and can be used virtually anywhere. Studies show that jumping rope can burn more calories per minute compared to running or cycling, making it an efficient option for those with busy schedules. Plus, it's a great way to bring variety to your workouts while targeting multiple fitness goals. Getting started. How often should you jump rope? For beginners, starting slowly is key to avoiding injuries and building stamina. Jump rope sessions should initially be kept short, between 1 to 5 minutes, and practiced 1 to 3 times per week. As your skill and endurance improve, increasing to 3 to 5 times a week is ideal. While daily jump rope is tempting for fast results, it's important to listen to your body and allow for recovery. This gradual progression helps you maximize benefits while reducing the risk of strain or burnout. The ultimate question: how does jump rope change your body? Jumping rope daily can transform your body in noticeable ways. One major benefit is its calorie torching potential, which helps with weight loss and management. It's a cardio-intensive exercise, meaning your heart rate rises, oxygen demand increases, and your body burns more calories as a result. Over time, these factors contribute to better cardiovascular health, leaner muscles, and improved energy levels, making jumping rope an all-around effective fitness tool. Burning calories, jump rope or running. When it comes to calorie burn, jumping rope takes the lead. It's been shown that you'd need to run an 8-minute mile to surpass the calories burned from a jump rope session of equal intensity. This efficiency makes jumping rope a top choice for those looking to shed pounds without dedicating hours to exercise. Add intervals or speed variations for an even greater burn, making your workout time count. Coordination and motor skills. How jump rope sharpens them. Jumping rope isn't just about cardio. It's also a fantastic tool for improving coordination and motor skills. Athletes who incorporate jump rope into their training often display enhanced balance and quicker reflexes. These improvements extend beyond fitness, benefiting daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even driving. Over time, regular jump rope practice helps fine-tune your body's rhythm and timing, leading to greater overall physical awareness. Building stronger legs through jump rope. Each jump engages your major leg muscles, such as the calves, quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also improving your lower body's power and endurance. Research highlights how consistent rope jumping boosts leg strength and sprinting speed, making it a great cross-training exercise for runners and athletes. Whether you want to tone your legs or enhance athletic performance, jumping rope offers targeted benefits for your lower body. Bone health and density. Jump rope's hidden benefit. Regular jump rope routines do more than just strengthen muscles. They also bolster bone density. The repeated impact of jumping places stress on your bones, stimulating growth and increasing their strength over time. This is particularly beneficial for the lower body, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis as you age. Adding jump rope to your regimen is a simple yet effective way to support long-term skeletal health. Full body engagement. It's more than just legs. Though primarily associated with leg work, jumping rope is a full body workout. The exercise engages your arms and shoulders as you swing the rope, while your core works to maintain balance and stability. This multi-muscle engagement not only builds functional strength, but also improves posture and endurance. Over time, jumping rope enhances both muscle tone and cardiovascular efficiency, making it a comprehensive fitness tool. Heart health. Jump rope's cardiovascular benefits. As a cardio-intensive exercise, jumping rope is excellent for improving heart health. Regular practice strengthens your heart muscle, improves circulation, and helps regulate blood pressure. Even beginners who haven't skipped rope in years can gradually build their endurance and reap the cardiovascular benefits. With consistent effort, you'll notice improved stamina and a healthier heart. Why jump rope is a game changer for your fitness routine. Jump rope offers a unique combination of simplicity, efficiency, and effectiveness. It's a workout that delivers results, from burning calories and building muscle to boosting coordination and heart health. By incorporating it into your routine, you can enjoy a fun, challenging, and highly rewarding exercise. So grab a rope and start jumping today to experience the benefits firsthand. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tips.